Hello and good afternoon. I have got my Mi 8 from Gearbest. It's an online website. I ordered on 28th of November and it came on 15th of December, so it took a bit of time. I was a bit concerned because it's the first time I ordered a mobile phone, and they reassured me that it is on the way and it is coming. So now I received it, quite happy, just before the Christmas. So let's open it and have a look. What's this all about? It's a nice sleek black box, big 8 on the front side. I ordered the global version because I'm in London, so let's have a look. Opening it. Okay, it came with the electrical adapter as well, which was good. Right, let's open this. So it gives you a brief features. So it has AI dual camera with 1.8 pixels, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, dual frequency, GPS, and 6.21 AMOLED full screen display. So let's okay. So it comes with this. I ordered Mi 8 128 gigabyte. It's quite sleek though. It's very beautiful. It's all packed. So it comes with the cable charger and the electric socket. Because it's come from Hong Kong, the socket is I think the Asian version, but they have sent us the adapter as well, which is good. So let's have a look. It's quite sleek, and it's I had my old iPhone 6. Yes, I used to be an iPhone fan, but now not anymore. So you can see the size; it's massive. I mean, this is iPhone 6 anyway, so it's an old one. So, but you can see it's quite big. And let's check what's this. I think this is just instruction. This is an extension piece for headphones, wireless headphones, and that's the pin. So we'll have a look. I'll use a bit and do the review after using it. That will be the second one.